Hello and welcome to episode number 112 of Supercalifragilistic. My name is Christian Rauchenwald and today I'm going to show you how you can build a website as a realtor in less than 15 minutes without any prior technical knowledge. To do so, I'm going to quickly switch to my MacBook and going to show you a blog post. So there's also a written version of this tutorial that you can read at blog.christianrauchenwald.com or by simply checking the description below this video and clicking on a link to the blog. Now, Irina wrote today about how you can create your real estate website, or actually what's the best real estate website builder. And she's covering that you should use a funnel instead of a regular website. Now, you may ask, what is a funnel compared to what is a website? Think of as a website something that has a lot of different options like menu, contact, category 1, category B. So there is a lot of options for people to actually get lost or don't contact you. Whereas a funnel is more like a personal conversation where you guide the person towards whatever it is that you can offer to them that fits their desires. Now, in that case, Irina picked one of our share funnels that you can get for free, either by, again, checking the blog post or by checking the description down below, but we will get to that in a second. Now, that funnel consists of a homepage where you, like with your regular website, can present yourself, use some image of some real estate that you already sold, mention where you've been featured in or where people may know you from, and give people simply two options. So instead of having a million options like check all my listings, check this, check that, you simply give them the option to pick if they want to buy a home or sell a home, because in the end of at the end of the day, that's what it comes down to. Now, once a person picks they want to buy or sell a home, they will get to a so-called survey page where you will ask them a couple of questions which you could later use if you want to, and in order for them to qualify as a lead. So you will know better what are they looking for or what are they trying to sell. And after they've completed the quiz, you offer them to sell them a home buyer's guide or a home seller's guide. Now, you can call it whatever you want. It's not included in our template. It's pretty much a 2-3 page document that you quickly write. It could be something like 5 things every person needs to know before buying / selling their house. So you make 2 documents and you just use like things that are not that commonly known to point out like what people need to take care of or know, and suddenly every visitor of your website actually has a reason to give you their contact data. Now, you ask them for the name, the email address, and the phone number. Probably make the phone number a required field, and they will get their ebook via email to them. All about that is covered in a different video series, but trust me, the whole technical side of this setup is covered again in a video series that I actually released today, and within less than 40 minutes total, simply by following the video steps, you will have your account set up in order to send out those emails. Now, how do you get the template and how can you actually modify it for your needs? It's quite simple. Within the blog post and within the description below, you can find a link, get your funnel template and click funnels trial right now. Now, if you open that, the following thing is going to happen. I'm going to open it in an incognito tab to simulate the same thing. You are going to end up on the ClickFunnels page where it's going to tell you that this is our share funnel number 49, and it's going to show you a preview of the funnel that you're going to get. Now, when you enter your email address and choose your password here for your 14-day trial, you're going to go to the next step where you can pick between 3 different pricing options, starting at $19 per month, which is a limited option where you can modify this funnel fully. So you can modify each page of it, but you cannot create further pages and you cannot add new pages to it. That's what I just said, yeah. And so and you need a third-party autoresponder, but in the end, like we're talking about $30 per month to keep everything going, like to send out the emails with the PDFs and to actually host your funnel for up to 1,000 visitors. Now, it's a perfect plan to start, especially while you're still setting things up and you're not actively driving traffic to it. Also, don't forget, if you ever have any problems with this, if you used our links to create your accounts, you can always count on our support. Simply reach out through our blog, website, Facebook, or by commenting below the video. And once we've verified that you signed up using our links, we'll be more than happy to help you out with setting your funnels up, because it's in our interest that you actually have success with the systems that we provide to you. Now, that said, once you've picked your option or your pricing plan and entered your credit card data, which will only be charged after your trial is over, you will actually be within your ClickFunnels account and you will have your funnel right there, and it will look like this. Now, for you, this may be confusing, but it's actually quite easy. It has every page here. You could rearrange them. Usually people would go for them in a specified order, but what you would do here is, for example, you would go here to Home Buyer Quiz and you would copy the address after setting up the domain, which we cover in the technical tutorial. And then you simply go to the first step of your funnel and go to Edit Page. And just like you can edit this page, you can edit every other page of this funnel. Now, you would assign, as it actually is already here, targets to those buttons. So the Buyer Home button goes to the Buyer Quiz and the Seller Home button goes to the Seller Quiz. And other than that, if you want to change fonts or anything else, you would just go to Settings, Typography, and pick a different font. Here, I already picked Roboto, yeah, for your headings, and you see in that case only the buttons had that font assigned. Now if you want to change a font here, for example, you just go on that font and you go on the gearing wheel or gear wheel, and you can adjust the size to whatever you like it. You can adjust the color to whatever you want it to be, and you can do much more. Now maybe you want to change the order of things, so you can just drag and drop things. Maybe you want to have this button for some reason down here, then you put that here and you put that image there. Maybe you want to add a second row, so you just go here and say here you need 3 columns, okay, and here you want to have for some reason a video, and that video would be on YouTube, for example, so you would just pick YouTube and enter your YouTube URL here. So you see it's quite easy. If you want to change the background, it's also pretty much the same. You go here and you click here on the pictures icon. You would upload your background image that you want to use. In my case, maybe I want to use that one, and you click on it twice and you set it to repeat, and or not repeat, but fill full center parallax. And suddenly we've changed our background image here. Now obviously that doesn't look nice at all, so we can also do undo, like by pressing the back button up here, and that's pretty much it. So pretty much all you have to do is like update the copy here, enter a picture of yours, and finish up your homepage. You can put some listings here if you want, and again, like either you build sub pages for each listing, which would require a $97 plan, or you list to a third-party website where you also have those listings. But the main purpose of this is not that you have a website where people then get lost and maybe they like the listing, maybe they don't like it. The main purpose of this website is to get people to go through those questionnaires and to get you their contact data, so you can call them and you know they are looking for a house or they want to sell their house. You will get more buyers and you will get more people selling their houses through you. So as you can see, I'm not going to save these changes here today because, yeah, like otherwise it would screw up that funnel for you when you copy it. As you can see, it's quite easy to set up. There is like really not much technical stuff involved. Setting up your domain here or even buying a new domain, again, that's something I cover in a YouTube series that you will also find in the video description down below. That honestly, like it takes you less than an hour to do, and even if you cannot get it done yourself, you can always hire us to get this done for you. Again, it's less than an hour of effort, maybe considering like the onboarding call, let's talk about 2 hours of effort. So overall, you could have your new real estate website set up within 2 hours for less than, let's say, less than $300 total. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, again, reach out either via email, on Facebook, or in the comments down below. We are more than happy to help you with our experience to get you set up. And by the way, we will also help you set up Facebook ads to those buyer questionnaires and seller questionnaires, so you get more leads on daily basis for ridiculously low costs. Yeah, to grow your business. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you tomorrow with another episode of Supercalifragilistic. Till then, bye bye.